Hi, welcome to Google Calendar Embed Plus. This application allows various team members to easily embed Google Calendar within the application. Okay, so this application works with item views, board views, dashboard, widgets, custom objects, or workspace. Okay, so let's go to Google Drive, Google Calendar to get the embed calendar URL. Okay, so here I click on settings icon, click on settings. Okay, so on next page download, you select the calendar you want to embed. So here I'm selecting calendar one. So here we are already on the calendar settings now. Okay. Now you scroll down. Now, if you want to make the calendar public, okay, so you simply click on check this box to make the calendar public. This is the one. You just select OK. Then you can get you can click here to get the shareable link that you embed. Okay. So you can also scroll down to this place. So you can also copy this URL, this public URL of this calendar. So you can embed any of them. You can embed this one, this public URL calendar. You can also get the URL from by clicking get shareable link. Okay. Now let's assume you want to embed calendar and you want only people on your calendar list to be able to access it. Okay. So now let's use a calendar 2 as case may be. Okay. So here I'm picking calendar 2 as an option. Okay. So let me uncheck it first. I go to settings, icon, click on settings. Okay. So here I pick the calendar that I want to embed. Okay. Then you scroll up to this place. So here, since you don't want to make the calendar public in this regard now, okay. So you can as well leave this place empty, you uncheck, okay. Meaning that the only people that can be able to access this embedded calendar is people under your calendar shared list, okay. In this regard, is this Jelly Soft Kias, Luke Ferras, Gmail, and Richard Cool Gmail. These are three people that are going to access this calendar. Okay, if you don't make it public. Okay, but if you want to make it public, you simply click on check and you can get the calendar URL from this place, just like I did in the first one. Okay, so I'm working with the first one that I made public. Okay, so let me get the calendar URL, copy it here, go back to the app. So it's time to embed. You simply click on embed. Okay, here you can add Google Calendar. You enter the calendar title. So you enter the calendar URL. So you enter the height. So here I determine whether I want to make the calendar shareable, as in if you want everybody on your team member to be able to access the calendar, so you can select shared, that's calendar visibility. If the calendar is just for you alone, you can check private. Okay, so here you can determine whether you want to enable feedback on this embedded calendar, so a user can be able to comment, reply, likes, and all that in real time. Okay, so by default the feedback is turned off, so let me just turn it on. So let me just enable feedback. So here you can determine whether if you want to if your full name to be reflected on the embedded calendar or just your initials. So you select whichever one that you want. Okay, so here you click add now. So calendar has been added. So here you can be able to send return notification to inform your fellow team members about the newly embedded calendar. Okay, so that they will get notification in real time. So you can see notification successful sent to all your team members. Okay, so here is notifications. You can see all the notification that is being sent. Okay, this notification is sent whenever a calendar is embedded, user comment on a embedded calendar, replies, likes, and more. Okay, so this notification is also synced with Monday notification. Okay, as case may be. So you can see notification on Monday too. Okay, so here you can see the list of all the calendar you embedded. Okay, and all that. So let's access one of the embedded calendar. Calendar has been loaded in progress. So you can see the calendar inverts. So here, you can place comment. You can comment on the calendar. Hi. So here is the previous comment that is made by users. Okay. You can also like the calendar. So this calendar has been liked by me before. Okay. So here is comment. Here is the you can also like the here is the comments. Okay. So you can also like comments. So let me just write reply. Okay. So I'm applying this particular user comment. Okay. Reply successfully sent and all that. Okay. So my car, this component allows users to see all their calendar profiles, all the calendars user embedded in real time, both shared and private. So you can see this one is shared, this one is private. Okay. As case baby. So here user can edit, can delete, and all that. Okay. So let's go to admin DB. This admin DB allow only the admin to be able to access and manage all database, all the model database that are used to run this application. Okay. Only admin can access the database itself. So here we have terminology. So this company allow the team members to see the features and privileges they have within these applications, and how they can be able to manage their data. Okay. So here we have how to. This how to allow users to be able to see all the how to use these applications, how to install and use these applications, and all that. Okay. Thank you for watching this demo, and I hope you like it. Thank you.